even as we safeguarded the well-being of our migrant workers. Our abiding concern was the jobs and livelihoods of Singaporeans. We convened the National Wages Council, or NWC, soon after the start of the pandemic in March 2020 to guide employers on how they could sustain their businesses and save jobs. Tripartite partners also issued and updated numerous advisories on matters ranging from leave arrangements during quarantine, managing excess manpower, and responsible retrenchment to workplace vaccination policies. Taken together, the collective efforts of the government, the unions, and the employers achieved significant traction and scale in supporting jobs and livelihoods. From April 2020 to April 2022, around 200,000 locals were placed into jobs and skills opportunities under the SG United Jobs and Skills Package. Besides, over 744,000 job seekers were hired with support under the Jobs Growth Incentive, which encouraged local hiring in growing firms as the focus shifted to supporting recovery. In addition, to help self-employed persons whose livelihoods were affected by the period of extraordinary economic uncertainty, we introduced the Self-Employed Persons Income Relief Scheme, or SERS, for self-employed persons with less means and family support. Close to 200,000 self-employed persons benefited from SERS. We have drawn useful takeaways from the experience of COVID. For the local workforce, we have enhanced the accessibility, the diversity of channels to support job seekers in securing employment and their career transitions. Above all, we have built and strengthened relationships and networks with both public and private stakeholders to help us weather future storms. To our local and foreign workers, our employers, the industry associations, tripartite partners, and the non-governmental organizations such as the Migrant Workers Centre, HealthServe, and Hope Initiative Alliance, and the many more on the list whom SMS Zaki will mention tomorrow. Thank you from the bottom of all of our hearts. Mr. Bernard Menon from the MWC, Dr. Benjamin Kwan from HealthServe, and Reverend Ezekiel Tan from HIA also joined us earlier today. It has been all of your support, your labors, your sacrifices, and together with all of the rest that have weathered us through the storm. COVID-19 indeed fell on us like a heavy storm. But together, we have weathered the worst, and we were able to build back stronger. While we are yet to reach journey's end, we have indeed come through the storm together.